Pingwa.
Hey, it's Mary from Pingwa. Welcome to the Make Your Own Game Scratch Mix and Match Cards Challenge. Each week I will reveal 3 cards. I challenge you to use the code from at least 2 out of the 3 cards to make your own game or story. I'll demonstrate some ways that you could use each piece of code, but you can use the codes in any way that best fits your game or story. I can't wait to see what you create. See below for details on how to share your game with us. Okay, the moment we've all been waiting for. Drum roll, please. Behind critter number 1 we have, and behind critter number 2, and last but not least, behind critter number 3. We now have all 3 cards. Your challenge, should you accept this mission, is to make a game or story using the code from at least 2 out of the 3 cards. See the details below on how to share your game with us. Stay tuned. In the next videos, I'll be demonstrating some ways that you could use these 3 pieces of code. Plus, each week there will be bonus featured game or 2 for you to download. Your game could be one of those featured games. Thanks so much for watching the Mix and Match card reveal. Hope to see you in the next videos.